What's up guys, today I'll be teaching you how to set up InstaCop V2. It's basically a backdoor method. It can add any Adidas product to cart and to checkout. Alright, so for example, if Adidas was releasing a shoe at like 7 o'clock a.m., you're going to go to InstaCop, change it to US if you're in the US. Then you're going to get the product ID number. You can basically find this anywhere. I personally like to find it on the Adidas website, and it will most likely be up early as well on different pages. So after you paste that in, it should come up with a picture, and you're going to find the client ID. You could just go to yeezy.io. We'll leave this in the description, and paste the product ID number, and you'll get the client ID once you click submit. So you're just going to copy that, and you're going to paste it into InstaCop V2. So after this, you're going to find the site key. This only works on products that has captchas. Go into inspect and click Command F. It should bring you to the search bar and type in site key. Next to site key, there should be in the parentheses this weird code. You're going to copy that link, and you're going to go into InstaCop. You're going to edit the site key and paste the new one in. Once you click OK, it should reload the page. After this, you're going to click I'm not a robot, just for capture purposes. So let's say it releases in 5 seconds. Right when it loads, you're going to go to your selected size, click add to cart, and it should bring you automatically to the checkout page once you click checkout. Let it load, it might take a while, and you're done. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe, and also note that this will only work after you get past Splash on the Yeezys. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below and leave a like on the video.